Hi everyone, welcome to Rishab Informatica Group. Today in this video we are going to see how to install Informatica Power Center 10.2 by using this easy installation guide. So far in the previous batches, I was sharing this easy installation guide to the students to install the Informatica Power Center 10.2, Oracle, IACS, Snowflake, GCP and everything. Okay. So I thought to do some videos also on this. So today we are going to install Informatica Power Center 10.2 by using this easy installation guide. So the agenda today is Informatica Power Center easy installation. Before proceeding to the Informatica Power Center, we need to see some basic system requirements. A laptop or desktop with below configurations, that is, the operating system should be Windows 10 or 11. RAM should be 8 GB or 16 GB. If you are having with 4 GB, you can upgrade to 8 GB. You can give your laptop to some computer shops and you can upgrade it. Hard disk space should be 80 GB or more than 80 GB. Separate partition should be there for the local disk C and D. Okay, while installing the operating system. So keep installation files in the local disk D. Whatever the softwares we are downloading now, we need to keep it in the local disk D. And installations, as usual, it will get installed in the local disk C only. After installed everything, we need to create a restore point. Okay. So in future, if we got corrupted this software or the data, by using this, we can try to recover the data and also the software also. Okay. So here, before installing Informatica Power Center, we need to install Oracle 11G. You can watch this video, easy installation video, and you can install Oracle 11G by using this link. Okay. Either you can take from here or you can go through the description. In the description also, I given this video link. Okay. By watching that video, we can able to install Oracle 11G. Once if you completed the Oracle 11G installation, after installed Oracle 11G successfully, please download below 3 links or softwares. Now, just click on this link. Just click on this link. Okay. So you can go through this. Yeah. So Informatica server first, right? Download anyway. You can click on this download anyway. And it will get downloaded automatically, right? Then you can go through this link also. Click on this link. It will get downloaded here. Okay. Again, here you can see here. So this is the Informatica client. This is Informatica server, previous one, and this Informatica client. The third link you can see here, Power Center license key. Just click on this. It will get downloaded automatically, right? It will come to the downloads, right? You can see here these 3 links. It is got downloaded, right? Yeah. Just take this, just copy this, and you can take to the local disk D, right? Just open this. I can just copy this. So you can create a folder like Oracle folder and Oracle and Informatica softwares, right? So these 3 links, just copy paste it here. So these 2 are the Oracle related. Previously we installed, right? That one. These 3 links related to the Informatica Power Center, right? It is having Informatica server and client and license key. Okay. Now we'll start to install Informatica Power Center. So after downloaded above 3 links, it will be look like as below. That's what I mentioned here also, correct? So basically it is a basically zipped file. We need to unzip this by using WinRAR. If you are having WinRAR already installed in your system, you can go and directly unzip that. Okay. Otherwise, we need to install WinRAR first, right? Go to Google and you can type WinRAR. Okay. You can type WinRAR and you can install. It's very simple only. WinRAR download. It's a free one only. You can install. Download WinRAR. Click on this download WinRAR. You can click on this. It will get downloaded. Once if you download it, you can install it. Okay, it will get installed. Fine. Now, once if you done that, we can start to unzip this, right? Because it is a zipped one, right? So like this, download and install WinRAR. That's what I mentioned. Now extract the already downloaded softwares. Extract one by one using WinRAR as below, right? Yeah. What we have to do, we have to just click on that and we have to right click and we can unzip that. After extracted, it will be look like as below, right? So now we'll start to install Informatica Power Center. Let me first of all go and unzip this, right click, extract here. It will take some time to extract since it is a big file. Okay. So to extract this, it will take some 5 to 10 minutes. You can extract one by one. Okay. So here I given the extract. It's getting extract. It will take some 10 minutes. Now we extracted client, Informatica client. Now Informatica server is getting extracted. We'll extract one by one. Based on your system speed, it will take some time, up to some 15 minutes also, or sometimes 20 minutes also. Now it is almost completing. We extracted the client and server. Next, we have to extract the password, this Oracle America, right? That password we have to extract. Once it is extracted, we can start to install Informatica Power Center while installing the Oracle, right? Now we'll start to install Informatica Power Center. Go to the folder where we kept the softwares. That's what this folder only. First, we need to install Informatica server. Double click on Informatica server as below, right? Then go to the server. From the server, we have to go for install. Okay. Then if you go, it will ask for allow. Then it will start to install. Okay. Let us do that. Okay. Go to the. Now we extracted the Informatica client, Informatica server, and this key. Okay. Here, this one. Okay. Go to the Informatica server. Double click on this. Go to this server. Double click on this. Then we have install here. Just double click on this. Okay. Click yes on this. Okay. So you will get like this. Then it will start get to install. See here, it is getting installation, right? Installation is preparing to install. Okay. So it should get. So parallelly, we can see the guide once preparing to install. Wait. Then you will get below page. Okay. This kind of a page you will get. Then here, click on I agree. Then next. So if it is completed, we can do that. Okay. So based on your system speed, everything it will vary. Okay. You go to this, I agree, next, and again next, and we have to import this. How to import that? Here you need to give the license key. Click at the 3 dots, red marked above, then give the path where we kept the license key in the folder. So this one, correct? This is what the license key. Then we have to import this. Next, we have to go to the next, click on next, right? So just follow the guide, whatever is there, click on install then. Okay, let us do that now. Click on this. I am going to click on this 3 dots. So just go to that folder, wherever you have kept that folder, that Informatica folder, go to this and you can Oracle folder and Informatica softwares. Okay. Here, America, right? This license key. Click on this and open. It is got inserted. Then going to the click on the next. Then install. Yes, it is started now. Okay. So based on your system speed, again, it will take some, you can see everything we have mentioned here also. Installation is in process. It will take more than 15 minutes, depends on the system speed. When it completes 100% installation, then you will get below page. Which page? This page. Okay. So just wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it will get this page, right? So we have any non-IT people or any layman also can able to install very easily by using this guide, right? So today I made some video also on this. Either you can follow this video or even the guide as well. Okay. Yeah. Let's see that one by one. So we need to wait for 15 minutes for this, right? So here to complete 100%, it will take up to some 15 minutes, as we have mentioned here in the guide. So just we need to wait. Okay. Then we will get this page, correct? Here we have to just giving the next, no any changes. Here there is no any changes. Just click on it. Okay, just wait. So it is in. So now it is 35%. It is keep on increasing. Once it is completed 100%. So in our session, Informatica Power Center, we are also teaching the Informatica Cloud also parallelly. Okay, Informatica Power Center and IACS along with SQL. So that's what we are calling as IACS combo. Okay. So IACS combo means we are giving the equal priority for SQL, equal priority for the Informatica Power Center and also Informatica Cloud. That is IACS IDMC. Okay. So in same batch, we can able to learn Informatica Power Center and SQL and IACS, right? So for example, today, if we are going through the joining concept, okay, we will see how to do the joining things in the SQL. Then we'll go for joiner transformation in the Informatica Power Center and joiner transformation in the IACS IDMC, that is cloud as well. Okay. So this is how our session will be go, right? So that's what this is a very big difference between the common trainings of Informatica, which is available in the market, right? So maybe other trainings they may give Informatica Power Center separately and Informatica Cloud separately, and even SQL also separately, right? Okay, it's 100% completed now. Now it is going to the next step. So we will get this page now. Then we have to give the next year. There is no need to do any changes here. Just give the next year. Okay. Yes, again, allow access. So that's what we have mentioned in the guide as well. Okay, you can see here. So allow access, correct? So whatever is that, we have given in the guide exactly. Next here, we have to give the database password we can create here, user ID and password. Okay, click info, both are info only. Then here, the local host -1521. So just you can copy and paste it here. If there is a chances to make some mistake while typing, So what we can do, just copy and paste it for a safer side. Here, this one, here XE, and here, okay. So then we have to go for next text. We have to go for test connection, correct? So here we have summarized clearly, okay, database user ID info and user password info and database address localhost 1521 hyphen database service name XE, and after updated above details, give test connection as above marked. Whatever is there, just follow that. Okay. So remove the admin here and you can give it as info, and here also info, user ID info and user password info, and here just you can copy it and you can paste it here, localhost hyphen, correct. Just remove this and you can paste it here. And here the service name is XE. So this is XE, correct? So just remove this service name and you can mention as XE, right? Click on this test connection. The connection is successful. Okay. So that we have mentioned even in the guide as well. Okay. You have to get it as connection is successful. The connection should be successful as above. Then click next as above. Okay. Go for next again here. After it is successful, go to the next here. Here you can see every step here, right? So you will get above window. We need to give any keyword as an encryption password. Okay. So here I can give it as, so here in my case, I'm giving like Rishab Informatica at 1, like that I'm giving, so that I can follow the, okay. So here also I will mention the same. Next. Yeah. Now it is taking, do the next here. So as we can see here, just make it as okay. Then here, so here we have to make it as this username and password and a confirm password. So here I'm giving Rishab admin, like that I'm giving. So you can also give the same, or you can give any other. We have to remember that Rishab admin. I'm just copying the same and I'm pasting here. I'm removing the administrator here. Okay, Rishab admin. Rishab. So here we have to type it. You cannot paste it here. Just type the same Rishab. So the one capital letter Rishab admin. So give the password, domain password and confirm password should be same, right? Then we need to uncheck. Here we have to uncheck. Okay, then we have to go for the next. Just uncheck here. So the username, password, confirm password, everything I given as Rishab admin only. The first letter will be capital. And unchecking here, giving the next here, executing the command here. So then here uncheck the box as above. Okay, there is no any changes. Then you can go to the next. Okay, so the next page we have to, don't forget to do all this. Here also we have to uncheck. Okay, so whatever, wherever we mentioned to achieve, uncheck, please follow the same. Still it is in running. Here it will take some time to execute this command. We need to wait. Okay, then we will get this page. So now we got this page. Okay, here in this step, Here, uncheck the box as above. So there is no any changes, click next. Just follow the guide. We can able to do everything. Okay. So I'm going to uncheck here. Next. So it is again executing the command. Next, we can just follow this. So wait for some 10 minutes. It is in process. Okay. So 10 minutes we have to wait, right? So for any non-IT people or anyone who wants a software job or the IT job, so this is the best platform. They can able to learn Informatica Power Center and IACS and SQL at the same session. That is the unique session in our Rishab Informatica group. Okay. So you don't need to go for any Informatica Power Center separately or cloud separately. Both concepts we are bringing parallelly in the same sessions, right? So that is what the unique thing in our session. Okay. So it is in executing the command. So after 10 minutes, we have to get this page. Let us come to this guide. Here, we have to get like a success and Informatica installation is complete. Like that, we have to get here. Then here, we have to click on this link. Okay. So then the admin console page will open, right? So here we have to give it as advanced. Then just we have to follow this guide, whatever is mentioned. Yeah, still it isn't running. So that's what IACS combo means. We can learn Informatica Power Center, Cloud, and SQL in the same session. So we are not taking more than 30 people per batch, right? The first batch itself, out of 30 people, before completing the session, 7-8 people have got the job, correct? So in the second batch also, up to 10 people have got the job, right? So we are not going to mute anyone. So that is a very unique thing in our session. So sometimes it will take 10 or 15 minutes also to complete this step. This is the 7th step of this. Total, we are having the 8th step here. Okay. So finally, we have got this page. Okay. Just follow the guide. Here, we'll get this page, right? So here we have to get like success and Informatica installation is complete. Here we have to click on this link to enter into the admin console page. Okay. So that's what we are mentioned here. Then we have to click on the advanced here, right? Click on proceed here. Then we have to go to the administrator, right? Administrator window. So let us follow the same, right? So we can see here it is mentioned like success installation is complete, correct? Then we have to click on this. Okay. So now we have got this page. Okay. This one. Here we have to go for advanced and we have to click on this proceed, right? Let us do that. Click on this advanced. Proceed to desktop. Okay. I'm going to click on this. Now I should have to get the administrator page, right? Yeah, this is what. Here we have to give the username and password, whatever we have given here, correct? This Rishab admin. This one. So either we can even copy paste Rishab admin. Both are same only, even the username and password. Rishab admin, right? Login. Yeah, it is entering into the admin console page. Okay. So this page will get, here we have to create the repository service first, then integration service, integrated service and repository service. So one by one we can create first repository service, then integrated service. Just we can follow the guide, whatever is there. It is in running. Still it is in loading. Okay. We need to wait to get the admin console page. Yeah. So this is what the admin console page. So now we have to enter into the admin console page. Here we need to create the repository service and integrated service. That is the task here. Okay. So just click on this. Here we have the services and nodes. So we have already clicked on this. Here, the domain. Click on this services and nodes and come to this domain and right click, new Power Center repository service. Okay. Click on this and we can just follow the guide, whatever is there. Okay. So here we can mention as repo. Okay. Then repo, and we can choose the license and node 01. Here, this also we can choose repo, REPO, repo. And here we can choose the license, and here we can choose the node 01 and next. Here, just follow the guide. Here we can make it as Oracle and info XE and this one. So Windows Latin, whatever is there. Then we have to just check on this. Okay. We have to change, by default, it will be here. We have to change it to this one. We have to check on this. So don't forget this point. Oracle, just choose it. And here we can mention as info. So that's what we have given in the Oracle while installing the Oracle, right? Here, make it as XE, that is the connection string, right? Then we have to change this to here. Click on this, no content exists. Okay. So that's it. Just give it as finish. So now we are created the repository service. So once we created the repository service here, the repository service should be available here. Okay. Then this exclusive should not be exclusive. We have to change it as normal. Okay. So you can see here, we have to change it. Okay. This exclusive should not be, we have to make it as normal. For that, we have to click it here and we can make it as normal. Okay. You can change it like this. Just do it now. So click on this here, make it as normal, and we can click on this version control as well. Okay. And okay. Okay. So now again, it will get restart and it will come as normal now. Again, the service should be also available. So you can see here, we have explained everything here in the guide as well. Okay. This should change as normal now, and the service should be available like this. Now again, right click on, yes, let us complete this. So again, it is restarting. You can see here, the service is available and this is normal. Okay. So we completed this and we have to create the integration service now. Okay. Again, right click on domain and Power Center integration service. Click on Power Center integration service. Okay. So right click, domain, and new. Right click on this and new. And here the second one, we have to choose the Power Center Integration Service. Click on this. So here, give it as IS since it is integration service, and choose it as the license and the node 01, and give it as next year. Here we can choose the repo, whatever we created, that one. And here again, username and password, that is Rishab admin. That's what we have given, correct? Rishab admin. Rishab admin. So just you can copy paste it once if you typed. Okay, just finish. So again, now we are going to make it as okay now here. Okay, so now we created the repository service and integration service as well. Okay, and just follow the guide here, every part. So that's what we have shown here. Okay, click on finish. So up to this we completed. So here the service is showing us disable. Okay, so here if you see here, it is showing us disabled. So please just click on this green color, enable the service. So this should get, service should be available here. Okay, so it will become available now once if you click on this. Okay, so again, yes, you can see here this Power Center's integration service is available. Okay, yeah, so this much we completed, and we can go to the next. Here service will be disabled. So whatever I said, I mentioned in this guide also. Power Center integration services available. Okay, yeah. So now we completely installed the Informatica server. Next we have to install the client. Okay, so next we will go for Informatica client installation. Go to the folder and open Informatica client. Okay, client, click on this client and client again, then install. Okay, yeah. Now we have completed this. Now we will start to install the Informatica client. Click on this one and go to this. So go to the folder wherever we kept. Click on this client and again client. Here we have installation option. Just double click on this. This should start get installation of Informatica client. Make it as yes here. Yes, it is started to install here. Okay, so that's what I mentioned here. Here there is no any page in the, there is no any, here there is no any changes in the, in this page. Okay, it started to install here, right? Yeah, the next page you will get this page. Here there is no any changes, can give directly next. Here no changes, click on next, you will get this page again. So we'll see that what is happening here. Yeah, again it is still, it is installing. Okay, now we have got this page. So in the guide, so this page you will get, and there is no any changes, and click directly next. Okay, here just click on next. So then here again next. So that's what we have mentioned here. And here click on next, and so check it here. Just click on this Power Center client and give the next here. Okay, so click on this, choose this one Power Center client and next. Again next, right? So you can see here, click next as above. Just follow this guide. Next. And now install. Click on this install. It will start to install. You can see in the guide as well. Okay, it is started here. That's what I mentioned in the guide also. It may take some 10 minutes to install. It may take some 10 minutes to install. Okay, you can see here it is slowly installing this Power Center client. Okay. And see the guide here. So installation is once 100% done, click on done. So that's what you can see here. Again, this is the Rishab, this is the client administrator. This is the Informatica client. Okay. So let's see this. Yeah, it will take some 10 minutes as we have already mentioned. So once it is completed 100%, you can click on this done here. Okay. So that's what we have mentioned in this, our guide. You'll get like this. So it is 89% now. Yes, it's 99%. Again, it will go to the 100. Yeah. So now it is completed 100%. So we'll get the done button. Till that we have to wait. So as mentioned in the guide, so we have to get the done button here. So the next step is after it is 100% completed. Now we completed the client installation. Yeah. Now we can see here, we have got the, you can see here, we got the done button here. Installation success, and click on this done button. Now we have to go and type, we have to open the repository service. For this, you can just follow the guide as well here. Just type as rep rep in the search bar. So click on this rep. Yeah, you can open this. So there is a new, it is created the Power Center repository manager. Okay. So when you type on this rep, it's opening now. So click on open here. Yeah, it is starting now. This is the service. So click on this repository, add repository. Then mention as repo, and the password is, username is Rishab admin. Just follow the same here. Okay. So click as OK. Then go to this repository, add repository. And here you need to give, so repo and Rishab admin. Okay. Just click repo and Rishab admin. That's what the username, right? Click on this OK. So right click on this repo and configure domains. Click on this configure domains, add here. And here we can give all this. Okay. So just adding here, and domain localhost 6005. Domain. So domain, it is there in the repository, right? Admin console page, same only. Localhost 6005. Here localhost 6005. Just make it as OK. And it is added here, repo. Okay. So that's what we have mentioned in the guide as well. Just click on this, make it as OK. And right click, connect Here we can give the same password and username and password, the same Rishab admin. Okay. Rishab admin. Then connect. So it is connected now, and give the folder name. Here, click on this folder, create. You can give a name here. IACS IDMC combo training. Okay, IACS IDMC combo online training. So I created a folder here. Okay. So repository, the folder has been successfully created. Once if you created, so give the folder name as whatever I given now. Okay, the folder has been successfully created. Okay, so this is the repository designer workflow and monitor. You can go to this D now. Click on this D. So here, right click on this repo and you can connect it. Yeah. Okay, username and same only. Rishab admin is the password and username for all the pages. Okay, here we have seen the repository designer workflow monitor. So all these things we have to click and open by using this username and password. So as of now, I given as Rishab admin and just click on this. So as we have mentioned here, we have to create two connections here, one for source, other one for stage. Okay. So here we can give like this. So click on add here and you can choose your add Oracle wire protocol. Finish here. You can give the name like Oracle source, right? Or only source also we can give source and we can mention as, or we can give it as source Oracle. Okay, here then the local host is localhost, the host is localhost, and the port number 1521. So that's what, if you have any doubt, we can see here 1521 and XE. Okay, so XE and apply. Okay, correct. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. So here it is added. Again, click on this add. We have to create one more for stage. Okay. Oracle wire protocol. Finish here. Mention as stage underscore Oracle. Stage underscore Oracle. Remaining are same only. Localhost and 1521 and XE. Apply. Okay. Okay. So now it is added here. Same thing we can see here. Here we have mentioned the same. So up to this we completed. Here give data source name is, so that's what we have summarized here. Okay, now the two connections is created. And now select Oracle here. Click on this. Okay. Here, if you click on this arrow, you can see the connections, whatever we created, source Oracle and stage Oracle. Click on this source Oracle and you can give the credentials here. You can choose it here by if you click on this arrow. Here the HR schema, right? HR schema, HR, HR, right? So click on connect. So they should open now. The HR schema should open. Click on this HR schema, tables. So it is showing the default tables, whatever is there. There is the employees table we can use, or we can use any other table also for doing a basic mapping. So click on this. We can choose all these also. Click all this and we can make it as okay. So everything will be imported here. So we are importing these tables from Oracle to Informatica. Yeah. So once if you added everything, you can see in the source here. Click on the source. So it is added here. Correct. So you can click on this plus symbol. It is, if you click everything, it is showing here. So now next go to the target. Click on this target. Right. Go to this target. Import from database. And again here here you have to choose the Oracle stage now. Stage Oracle. Here stage is the password. Caps on. Stage. Click on this and click on this plus symbol. Tables. This one we have already created. Click on this OK. So we have done with this, right? So this also I mentioned everything here. Okay. So TGT students, TGT employees have taken. Now go to the workflow level. Go to the workflow level. So this one, W, click on this W. Click on this W. Okay. Okay. Then right click on this and you can open it. So it is open. Here, go to this connections. Yeah. So go to this connections, relational. Click on this relational. Here also we have to create the Oracle connection. Go to the new here and you can choose the Oracle here. Okay. Then you can add the details here as usual, whatever we have done now. Okay. Relational connections, right? We can choose this Oracle, whatever we have mentioned, same. HR and XE. That's it here. You can mention a source if you want here. Only source also you can mention. Source, HR, or source Oracle you can mention. Same thing, whatever we have mentioned in that previous stage. Okay, here HR XE. Okay, that's it. If you have any doubts, you can see here once and you can make sure everything you have to follow exactly. Just follow the guide exactly, whatever is there. Okay, Oracle is source Oracle and HR XE. Okay. Again, you can add to create a target as well. Click on the new Oracle. Okay, again. Then here you can make it as stage Oracle now. Stage Oracle. So to create a stage Oracle, and this is stage. correct? So that is what the credential here, correct? You can see here stage XE, stage 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 and XE. Okay, so now we have created the source and stage here, right? Oracle, then just close it here. So we have done with the installation completely now. Now we can do a basic mapping. How to do the basic mapping? Okay, so now we can go for a basic mapping. Okay, so this is the real-time mapping. So as a Informatica developer, you will be engaging in this, creating the mapping and all in the real time. Click on this mapping designer here. So now you can take a source here. Okay, you can take these employees or any other table also. Give a name here, map. So map underscore EMP or employees. Okay, right? So again, take this target as well here, TGT employees. Just drag and drop this, select all, and you can take everything here, right? Just control save. This should be valid. Yeah, it is valid now. Go to the workflow level and click on this workflow designer. Okay. Here, click on this workflows, create. So when you create, just give us W flow, that is workflow. Okay. Go to this session, click on this. So you will get whatever you created in the designer level. Map employees, you can able to see here. Click OK here. And just take this link session log, just drag and drop here by using this link task. Double click on this mapping and SQ employees. So this should be same only. Go to this TGT. Here we have to change the connection from source to stage. Okay. Again down. Here we can truncate the target table. Click on this, apply. Okay. Control save. Start workflow. Right click and start workflow. So the monitor will open now automatically. So you can see the mapping is going to complete here. Okay. So this M, yeah, this M is opened here. Here also you can open it. So go to this task view, click on this task view, this one, and repo. So connect Rishab admin, same only, and make it connect. And click on this IS integration service, right click. Open. So double click on this workflow. And here also you can double click. So you can see here it is succeeded. Right click on this get run properties. So just take this to up and you can close it, close this here. So just go to this arrow, go to this arrow. So it is showing 107, it is completed. 107 record, you have got the source, and 107 it is reach it to the target. So go to this database stage and you can see here, select star from TGT employees. Okay, you can see here. So the employees table is loaded to the target from the source to target. It is completed here. Okay, it is loaded. You can right click and you can see here it is showing 107 record, right? So this is what the basic mapping. So we have completely done the Informatica Power Center installation.